Every year, wildfires destroy properties, claim human lives, and consume fragile forest ecosystems around the world. The long-term socioeconomic and environmental impacts are immense, and only expected to increase due to climate change. An affordable solution that provides early detection, localization, and warning of wildfires to facilitate immediate response is desperately needed. AUG Signal's innovative and patent-pending AirSENCE early wildfire detection and locating system is designed specifically to address this need. The distributed IoT network of AirSENCE provides continuous and accurate measurement of key wildfire-related air pollutants. AirSENCE captures sudden, sharp increases in pollutant concentrations, after which the system applies its proprietary wildfire localization algorithm to locate the fire. Authorities are immediately alerted electronically and directed to the wildfire location to take timely action and issue alerts before the fire gets out of control. UAVs can also be dispatched to the specified locale to investigate and potentially identify arsonists and assist policymaking to mitigate future wildfire events. The capability of AirSENCE to detect wildfire-related pollutants was demonstrated in the summer of 2021, when massive plumes of smoke from fires in northwestern Ontario, Canada, drifted more than 1,000 kilometers into Toronto. Significant pollutant peaks were accurately observed by the network of AirSENCE units within the city, while other units in a nearby city downwind observed the same events roughly 1 hour later. This effectively shows the technology's ability to capture wildfire emission data, even at great distances. In a recent field test, 4 AirSENCE devices were set up at fixed locations downwind from a small fire pit to simulate conditions of air monitoring near a real wildfire. In spite of the small size of the fire and the very windy conditions that day, the AirSENCE units displayed elevated concentrations of carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, and particulate matter. Moreover, the levels detected by each sensor varied depending on their respective distances from the source and their position relative to the prevailing wind direction. With only this information, the system's proprietary localization algorithm accurately estimated the fire's location. These results effectively validate the capability of early wildfire detection and locating system. Many wildland-urban interface areas are particularly vulnerable to wildfires due to the proximity of dense woodland and a shortage of paved escape routes. A tragedy like that of Madi in 2018 must be avoided at all costs. To address this need, a network of AirSENCE will be situated in locations optimized based on prevailing wind direction and the topography of the surrounding landscape. The geospatial density of AirSENCE will be increased in areas deemed to be of highest priority, such as critical infrastructure and dense population centers, to gather more data and improve the timeliness of warnings and accuracy of wildfire localization. Wildfires are not a threat to be taken lightly. Preparation and early warning are the first line of defense in the protection of communities at risk. When a fire becomes large enough to be seen, it may already be too late.